So this is the Falcon with the attached mod. So this is a DJI GoPro adapter put on with a socket set of 7x16. Use the GoPro screw that you normally use with a GoPro. I just took off the plastic piece, and that is now tight in so it doesn't rattle, and that would allow it, let's see if I can get it to sit like that, and then we'll just add, I love the magnets, so it sits up like perfectly. So I did some nighttime shots last night. That's probably the most important thing, but we'll do some day stuff here today, a little walk around, and we'll see how it goes. But it's an option for your Action 2 to make it more usable at nighttime, because it seems to have a lot of jitters in the lights at nighttime. So we have it now set up, and it's actually on, Rocksteady is off. So this is going to give you a wide view, not using any stabilization from the camera at all, and we're just going to walk around a little bit. So after using this at nighttime and looking at the footage, it helps out with the colors. It helps out with the lights. Definitely, they don't flicker at all from the stabilization effect. Gives a cleaner look, but you do need to be careful. You can't just roam around with the gimbal like this. I'll get backlight. You can't just roam around with the gimbal like this and expect it to be purely smooth. It's going to jiggle a little bit. I mean, the gimbal would do the best job it can to smooth it out, but it's a very small camera. It doesn't take much for it to move around a little bit, and it's kind of jumpy. So basically, you have to be careful when you use this and kind of do the old ninja walk with the gimbal if you want it really, really smooth. Otherwise, turn on Rocksteady and it still looks good, because you're keeping the camera still. It takes a lot of shutters of the same picture, and computer-wise, it kind of takes each picture, kind of matches them up, and try to get them back in the right order so it all looks stable really, really fast. If it's only moving about this much, it's not that difficult to get the order done. But if you're moving all over the place, it's having to take it from one distance to another distance, you can get that drag effect where it looks like it's bouncing around the lights are. So with Rocksteady on and this, it's very smooth. All right, again, Rocksteady is off. Ooh, she likes to come out here and eat the rabbit turds. Stop. Flashlight mode right now. You want to play fetch? Sit. Sit. Good. All right. Let's go. I haven't thrown it yet. Throw it over here. Should we throw it this way? Oh, look at that face. Get that low. I'm at 4K 30, so I can't really slow it down. We can do some 120. All right, let's stop it. All right, now we're at 4K 120. Let's go.
Making our Christmas
all right, we have
memories.
4K 30 with Rocksteady on now, and on the gimbal. All right, let's try this again. Here we go. Let's go. Ready? Right. Walking normal. The flashlight mode. We'll do a little jog. So it is a pretty exciting day for me when it comes to camera wise. Today, alright, get this. So from B&H I have a replacement Action 2 coming in the mail because I'm thinking there's a focus issue with this one. And I couldn't get it registered with DJI, so they had another one. Said send it back, we'll send you another used one, same type of level. So that's happening today. So I'll look at that. If there's a big difference between the two, I'll make a review about it, but if it's not much, then we'll just pass it up. But the bigger deal is the Sony A7 IV is coming today. Whew. Pre-ordered it. I didn't think it would come this fast, but it's coming in before Christmas. So I'm pretty happy about that. So that forced me to make a review on the A7C versus the A7 IV. Now I know, of course, the 4 is better. Is it worth it for me, or maybe for you, having a small camera or a big camera? Like it's going to be a personal decision if you want a small camera or a big camera, and how much size difference it really is. Is it that big of a deal? Or do I not use it at all and just sell it and make a couple of bucks from the craziness that everyone's trying to find them? Wasn't the plan, but everyone's got to make $1, right? Let's first walk with Rocksteady on and you see what it looks like. Oh, pretty. It's just starting to get dark. So this is a pretty blue. Oh, I like the Action 2 picking up that blue. Try to mimic the same movements. We'll cover this house first. A lot of wind. We're doing 4K 30. So we'll do with the stabilization on the gimbal and of course off. Alright. Then we'll do a little jog, which should be bad. Okay, let's switch it. Alright, Rocksteady's on. 4K 30. I'm not doing a ninja walk, I'm just walking norm? Is that a word? Normal? Then we'll do a little jog back. Okay, stop recording. One thing nice about the voice control, I don't have to touch the camera on the gimbal to get it going. Alright, Rocksteady is off. Here we go. Let's see if it earned its money. I'm not doing a flashlight mode or anything, I'm holding it straight up and down. Run back. All right. So you have to rig it a little bit. You have to use some engineering to get it to stabilize correct. But what I have on it so far seems to be working. And battery. And I like it. It's easily taken on and off, put back in my bag, so I can save some money and not get the pocket too. Thought. Stop recording. So that's it for this short video on the Inkee Falcon paired up with the DJI Action 2. You gotta do a little bit of rigging work to balance out the weight, but it's doable. So like, subscribe down below, and we'll do some more of these strange videos. I did this because someone asked for it. They wanted to see a review of this gimbal with this camera. Okay, thanks. Have a good Christmas if I don't see you before that. I won't. No, I won't. See ya.